Hi, welcome to RCC. I'm Dave Rodden, the lead welding instructor. I've got over 25 years experience in the industry, and I am an AWS certified welder. Come on in, check the place out. This is the entrance to our welding lab. We have booths along the back wall here. We have 2 rows of booths here, and we have some extra equipment here that we use, our plasma cutters, our MIG machines. Each one of these booths has a multi-process machine. Step around here around the corner and I'll give you an example of one of the booths. This is one of our standard weld booths. We have our Lincoln 300 Power Waves. They're a multi-process machine. They will do MIG, TIG, and stick. Each student is assigned a booth for their 10 months that they're here as part of their program. Probably don't want to get the note in there. Like I said, we have over 20 booths in our lab. We also have some equipment for cutting and processing materials. We have our 5 torches over here. This is our steel rack. We use nothing but brand new steel that we order in as we need it for the program. And everything that we do here, we process in-house. We saw cut, we torch cut our pipes for our pipe welding processes. And this is a common table, layout and fabrication table that we use for cutting and grinding materials. We have a grinding booth specifically for grinding.
Certifications. Certifications.
So as part of our program, each student is given an opportunity to take an AWS certification test. Their certification test can be taken in either MIG, TIG, or stick, whichever process they feel most comfortable in. And that is it's all part of our program. It's proxied by the American Welding Society, which we are an AWS accredited lab.